Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so in today's session, Suma, we are going to understand again one of the most important concept. Okay, and
Mm.
this is asked in the interviews and also in your day-to-day work in when you work in the real-time industry. So that function is really used a lot. Okay, that row number, a rank, and the dense rank. Okay, so there's a lot of work. These functions will help you a lot of to do the data fixes, some data migrations related when activities happen, some invalid or incorrect data goes to database, so to clean up that duplicate data or some kind of operations, so to fix them issues on productions, these functions is really help. Okay, so this point is
Mm.
again very important for us. So we are going to understand in this video about the row number, rank, and dense rank function.
Okay.
Okay, so in previous sessions, we understand about the Windows functions, right? How that Windows functions works,
Mm.
how we can define the window for that function, min, max, for aggregate functions. So
Mm.
same way we'll work here and we'll try to understand, okay, for
Yes.
how it is working for this student data. Okay, so we are taking one real-time example first. Okay, so this is
Mm.
my student marks table. Okay, let's say this is my student ID, student name, subject is, let's say, maths. Okay, and in
Mm.
maths, what are the marks? So these are the top five let's say these are the top five students. Okay, that maybe just imagine if in the 12th standard, in let's say in one of the board in the 12th standard, these are the top five students. Okay, so
Mm.
this is the these are the records. Okay, that 95, 90,
Mm.
85, blah, blah. So actually I
Mm.
have put them in a sequence actually. Okay, but that is still
Mm.
fine because I want to show you how this work for rank, dense rank, and the Windows function.
Mm.
So so if you can see, this data is straightforward giving you the rank, right?
Mm.
Straightforward
Yes,
in
sir.
giving you the rank. So I'll change some data, okay, in order to
Yeah, yeah.
understand in a different in a
Mm.
good way actually. So I will
Mm.
cut this, I'll paste here, I will cut this, I'll put here
Mm.
something like that actually, because I want to help you to understand the scenario. Okay, and in drop table, let's say student mark, and you can add a SEP statement. What is this?
If exists.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So now you can see that, right? So now you can see the data is that Amit got 80, then Ravi got
Mm.
78, then 85, then Priya got 95, and then Naina got 90. Okay, so this is what the data, right? Okay, now
Mm.
we have to what we can do. Suma, can you tell me that I want this data in order with mark? How can I get that?
Order by ascending.
Correct, order by, but which column?
Order by this marks.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you go with
Yeah.
order by marks, I will get this data in
Mm.
correct format, right?
Yeah.
Right now, but I got it 78, 18, 85, 85. I want
Mm.
95 on top. What I can do? I want in a
Uh,
a descending order,
Descending.
a descending order,
Descending.
right?
Yeah.
Correct. So if
Yeah.
I go with this, I'll get this data
Mm.
in a descending orders, right?
Descending order. Yeah.
Perfect. Now we are going to understand the real use of this. Okay.
Mm.
Now let's say these are my star. These are my all the data. Along with that, I will go with the row number function. Okay, so this is my row number function. So
Mm.
this will understand what that function actually do for us.
Oh.
Okay, row number. This is the function, Windows function. So how Windows function will start? We have to use
Or.
or clause, correct?
Mm.
Or, and you have to pass the
Order
that
by.
order by.
Partition by and then order by.
Correct, partitions, we can pass the partitions and then we can pass that order by, right? But in our case we have only, let's say, for now we are not using any partitions because
Mm.
we want for all the students. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Yeah.
see, there is no scope for partitions because all students are here
Yeah,
and the
yeah,
subject is
exactly.
maths. If the subject is different, we can go with the partitions, right?
Yes.
But in
Yeah.
case that maths is there, right? So we'll go for
Mm.
that as well, partition, but
Yeah,
currently
yeah.
we'll understand about that function first. Okay, so
Yeah.
uh, we'll give the alias for this row number. Okay,
Yeah.
and the same way I will copy, paste, and then paste. Okay. Instead of that, I'm just giving the rank, and here
Okay.
I'm giving the dense rank. Okay. What happened? Dense rank. Okay. So then I'm giving here, let's say I will add dense ranks. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now
Yeah.
I will execute this. Okay. And we'll check what is the results we are getting. Okay.
Okay.
I executed this. Okay. Now you can
Number.
see that it's given the row number, right? So 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5. Okay, so we'll understand first what is the row number. Okay, so row
Mm.
number is order by marks. We are saying that this is Windows functions, and it should
Mm.
go with the do the ranking. It will start with 1, obviously. Okay, no doubt. So it will start with 1, and it will give the sequence as per the order you decided in the Windows
Yeah.
function. Okay, so you are decided, right? I want this in order by marks in a descending order. So it's giving me
Mm.
195, 90. So this is in descending order, right? So I am getting 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. Okay. Now for rank also it gives the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for now it's correct, right? So it's given the rank. It's given the row
Mm.
number as well. And in the dense rank as well, it's given the same way, right?
Same.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know
Mm.
what is the questions might be come to in your mind, right?
Yeah. Mm.
What it is,
Both the rank and the dense rank are the same.
right? And the row is also same. Row number is also giving the
Mm.
same things, right?
So we can understand like, okay, row numbers usually like start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Huh.
That I can understand, but
Hmm.
rank also I can understand. Dense rank, if rank and dense rank are the same,
Hmm.
then why did we even differentiate them? Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. So that's what
Mm.
actually I want to understand first what is the problem,
Mm.
and then I will tell you the solution for this. Okay, so
Yeah.
solution itself is given by the Microsoft already, rank and dense, right? So that's what
Mm.
I'm going to help you now. Okay, so
Mm.
now the interesting part is that here. Okay, so let me copy these two records and put here. Okay,
Okay.
now this is my 6 and this is my 7.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me copy this and put here 6 and 7. Let's say Sneha having the 95 marks again. Okay. And
Mm.
Meena have the 90 marks again. Okay. So
Ah,
I will
okay.
execute this. Okay. What happened? Incorrect syntax near this. Okay.
Cool.
Remove this and add this. Okay. Now two records inserted.
Mm.
Now let's go and run this. Select star
Mm.
from student marks. Okay. Let's say order by mark descending.
Yeah.
Now tell me. Okay. Now tell me, what do you think if I run this logic, row number, rank, and the dense rank? Okay. So what
Mm.
will happen for this? So
Row
let's say
number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only.
perfect.
Rank also will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hmm?
But for dense rank, I'm not sure what it will be.
Okay. So for rank, you are saying it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Or 7,
But
some,
since there are like, if you see like 95, there are two.
right? So,
Uh, it
so,
will be the same rank only.
right. For this 95,
Yeah,
95, it should be 1, right?
yeah,
Rank
yeah,
should be
it will
1.
be the same. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. And then for 90, 90, right? Again,
yeah, it will be two,
it'll be 2. Then it for
three,
this 3, 4, and
4,
5.
and 5. Yeah,
Right? That's what you're
yeah.
expecting, right? So your guess is correct, but let's see how the rank and the dense rank behave with this data. Okay.
Okay.
And to fix this data, that rank and dense rank come into the focus.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
Yeah.
run this and we'll understand now. And we'll get
Mm.
some interesting results. So what you are expected, right? This is 1, 1, this is 2, 2, and this is 3, 4, 5. This is what you are expecting, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you
Mm.
got these results in the dense rank. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's
Mm.
not given in the rank, but
Mm.
it's given the rank in the dense rank.
And
But
fine.
that's fine. So that's what I will explain you now, don't worry. Okay, so in the rank functions, can you see what happened is that in a rank it gives the 1 1 to here.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, and it gives the 3 3 here.
Hmm.
Okay, and it gives for 5 as 6 and 7. So why this happened? Okay, I will tell you, I will explain you first how the rank function is work. Okay, so dense rank is
Hmm.
working fine as expected. That's what
Fine,
you are
yeah.
expecting, right? So that's fine. So to solve this problem, okay, so rank to solve this rank problem, in that
Mhm.
dense rank come into the focus. Okay, so
Okay.
how the rank is working, that I will tell you. So this
Okay.
is rank 1 is given for 95 95, right?
Hmm.
But it should give 2 here, but why it's giving the 3? Because rank functions will skip that, because there is tied up, right? There's
Yeah, yeah.
tie between these
Yeah.
two. So that's why
Hmm.
it will give the third number as per the row number. Okay, in a row number there is 3, right?
Okay.
So based on
Hmm.
this 3, it's giving the 3, and again here it's tie, right? So for this 3
Yeah.
and 3, it's giving the 3 3. But again
Hmm.
it should give the 4 here, but
But
because
yeah.
of tie, it's not giving this 4, it's giving this 5
Hmm.
number here, it's giving 6
Hmm.
numbers, and it's giving the 7 number here. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Got it.
whenever you want to understand this, whenever in the interviews they will ask you the questions, okay, you can tell them with this example. Okay, what is the
But
difference between
what's the use of this rank, sir? Like, I don't think so. We'll use it anywhere.
yeah, so to be honest, in real time experience as well, actually I have used along with the row numbers
Okay.
and the dense rank. But in the rank, actually I'm also, just wondering that
Hmm.
how that, even I, so
Yeah,
many times
it's
I've studied why this is the functions actually in the real time use,
that.
real time
Um,
use actually. So because it
hmm.
can, this dense rank is solving all my problems, right? So one one
Exactly.
two two
Yeah.
and 3, it's solving all my
Hmm.
problem. But what is that rank is giving? That's to be honest, so far what I work in the IT industries, I haven't used that rank functions in the real time examples.
Hmm.
But if I figured out something related to this rank, definitely, I'll share that example as well. Okay, but
Got it. Yeah,
just to
yeah.
understand these 3 concepts, I have
So
added.
in general, both the row numbers and the rank are same. In
No,
general, like okay, like
yeah,
me,
in
like
general,
if
in
yeah,
general, we are calling this row number and the rank
yeah,
should be
like
the same. Yeah,
if there are eight row numbers,
hmm,
then in rank also you will get
correct. You'll get the
eight
rank.
ranks.
8 ranks, yes. You'll
Yeah,
get the
but
8.
in tenth rank we don't get it like that. If there are repeated like marks or something, we don't get that.
Exactly, exactly. Now you got the catch. Okay,
I
so if
got it. Yes.
so
Yeah.
the row number and the rank will give the last number will be the remain same. That's
Same.
7 7.
Yeah.
But in the
Yeah.
dense ranks, you are getting this 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
1 1 2 2 3 3 and 5, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
when that dense rank and the dense rank and the rank, you can use based on the scenarios or based on the situations. Let's say I want to find the top 5 student. Okay, top 5
Mm-hmm.
students. So how you'll find the top 5 students?
Mm-hmm.
You can't
Using tenth rank?
so
No.
see, problem is that if you go with the dense rank and find the top 5 students, and but you'll get actually 7 students. Let's say I want to give awards to the top 5 students. Okay, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
how you can give the top 5 students awards? You can't go with the dense rank, right? Because in the dense
So
rank
in
you
that
will get,
case, we have to go with the rank only.
right,
Okay.
obviously, because see,
Okay.
I
Okay.
want to find the top 5 students. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in competition world, let's say I have to find the top 5 students, but these are the 7 students. So if first number is even the first number is a tie between these two students, second is tie between these two students, but that doesn't mean that I can give the award to the 7th student, right?
Yeah.
Got it? So
Yeah.
these are
Yeah.
the some when the competitions, some events where there's a tie, but still I want to find only top 5 students. Okay,
Hmm.
in that
Okay.
case I can go with this approach. Okay, rank approach. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now you got the real-time example for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Top
so
five.
in,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
so when there's competitions and I have to find the top 5 students, even though there is
Mhm.
tie-up. Let's say if the same example, let's take for the Amazon top Amazon's uh, top 5 best selling
Okay.
products. Okay, that's I want to find out the top 5 product sellings. Okay, so how I can find that top best 5 selling products? Let's say iPhone is at top 1. Okay, then let's
Mhm.
say maybe any Android phone, okay, then
Hmm.
let's say TV, then let's say
Hmm.
fridge, and then let's say
Hmm.
AC, okay, and then let's say there is a something called maybe a chair or
Hmm.
sofa, okay. So let's
Okay.
say in iPhone they have total revenue they got, instead of revenue, let's say they sold best selling product, let's say they sold let's say 1000 products, okay, in the last
Hmm.
months. At the same time, they sell Android also 1000 product. Okay.
Hmm.
For TV also they have sell 8800. Okay. Let's say
Hmm.
for fridge they sell 700. For AC
Hmm.
also they sell 700.
Hmm.
Okay. And now for let's say chair they might be 600, and then sofa let's say only 300. Okay, now in this case if you have to find the top five products, okay, so what will be your top five products? These are your top five
Hmm.
products, right? iPhone, Android, TV, fridge, and AC.
Hmm.
Right, now tell me how this rank will work for this. What will be the rank for this?
It will be 1, 1,
Correct.
3, and 4, 4, 4.
Perfect, now you got it right.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, even though rank for this AC is 4, but
Hmm.
these are the five products will come into my top five best selling products, right?
Got it. Yeah.
Got it. So I want to
Hmm.
find the top five products. I want to find the top five students. So I'll go with a rank. This is how
Hmm.
ranking
Hmm.
work in your class as well, right? So let's
Yeah.
say
Yeah.
you
Hmm.
in your class, if you want to top three students, even though they
Hmm.
get tie, they will be part of top
Hmm.
three
Yeah.
students,
Yeah.
right? So
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah.
so this is what the real-time example of this rank, okay. So this is how a rank will work, okay. And the dense rank
Hmm.
is work in case, let's say I want to find instead of there is no competition, let's say I want to find the salaries, okay. What are the
Hmm.
top five salaries. So let's say in that case, let's say instead of this mark, just imagine these are the salaries in case, okay,
Hmm.
95k 95k salary. So I
Yeah.
want to find the salaries in, let's say this is organization data, and I want to find
Yeah.
the top five salaries. So 95 is my one salary, 90 is my second salary, 85 is my third salary, 80 is my fourth salary, and 78k is my fifth salary. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So here there is no any competition, and there is no, I don't want to
Hmm.
find in the top five employee or top five candidate like that.
Okay.
My focus is on salary. I want to find the top five salaries. So these are
Hmm.
my top
Hmm.
five salaries, right? It's okay if three peoples may have the same salary. I don't care, because
Hmm.
I just want to find the top five salaries in TCS. Let's say I'm going on Google or ChatGPT and I'm finding what are the top five salaries
Hmm.
provided by the TCS. So let's say they given this data. So even though there are the 10 employee 10 records, that's fine. Maybe two to three employees can have the same salary. That's fine.
Yeah.
But my question is related to the salaries.
Top 5 salaries.
Yeah, top five salaries.
But if the question was find the employees with the top 5 salary, then we use rank.
Rank, yes. Then we can go
Yeah.
with rank and we'll get the top five employees based on the
Okay.
salaries. Then I will get that top five employees along with the rank function. And now you got
Okay.
it correctly.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
interesting.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah, perfect. Now we'll go with some partition part, okay? Because now we got these records based on the subject, right? So
Hmm.
these are the
In
marks.
generally, when we think, we think differently. Like, when I think about rank, I think about dense rank.
Yeah, I got it.
So
I got
it's a
it.
bit confusing. If you say suddenly rank, I'll not think like 112. I'll start thinking
Yeah, right. I thought.
according to dense rank. It's like interchanged.
Exactly. That happens. But when you go with the real-time scenario, you will try to understand with the real-time scenario, you'll come to know that this is how
Um,
the rank is working. If I want top five student, I want to top five
mm,
employees, then rank will work. But at the same time, I
mm.
want top five marks, or I want top five. Let's say I want the top five marks or top
Yeah,
five
then
salaries. Then you can go
uh,
with the dense rank. Okay. So this
hmm,
gives me the
got
top
it.
five marks, right?
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
little bit confusing, but try to understand
Yeah,
the
yeah,
rank is used
yeah.
in the computational world, in the sports or in the
Mm-hmm.
competitions, that rank is used
Mm.
no matter if there is a tie. They, even though there is tie, they will give the award to only
A
top
bit
three,
of logic, I feel, it's like they are logic questions.
right, right, little
Yeah,
bit confusing,
little bit,
but yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
got it,
yeah,
no problem.
yeah.
Now all clear, right?
Yes, sir, yes. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, let me copy this. Now it's a 7, right? So I have to change it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I should keep the identity column for this, right? To save the time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, no problem. Now we'll keep the same names and same marks, okay?
Yes.
Just for
Okay.
understanding purpose. I only will change the subject to, instead of physics, let's go with,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
sorry, instead of physics, maths will go to physics, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me insert this record 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 7 record is inserted, right? Now, if I go and execute this, right, what is going to happen? It will be mess up with the data, right?
Yeah,
That maths and physics is coming along with that. So that
yeah.
is something
Hmm.
not a correct data. So what we have to do
Hmm.
here?
Partition by
Correct.
student name.
Partition by. Really?
1 second, sir. I'll see it. No, no. Partition by subject.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, subject is what? So I just copy and paste this. Now, if I execute this, and I did order by marks, that's a problem, right? So I have to create this order by
Mhm.
subject.
Subject. Yeah.
Order by subject, and let's say then we'll go by mark.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
along with subject and marks. So first it will go by subject, and then order by, then subjects, and then marks. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
get the expected results. Now you
Hmm.
can see that, right? Here you got this partition for, let's
Hmm.
say, maths, right? We got the same results: 1 1 3
Hmm.
3 5 5, 1 1 2 2 3 5. The same results
Yeah.
we got for, when we go for the partition of physics. I got the same results, right? 1 1 2 2
Hmm.
3 and 4 4, right?
Hmm.
This is what we are expecting, right? 1 1 2 2, 1 1
Hmm.
2
Hmm.
2 3
Yeah.
4 5, 1 1
Yeah.
3 3 5 6 7. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Now,
Yeah.
uh, I'm giving the assignment based on this to you.
Hmm.
Okay. If you want this data, even I can share with you this data as well.
Yeah.
But I will not share this syntax because I want you to write this syntax. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, in chat, I'm giving you that code.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you have to do is now, okay, so based on the subject,
Mm-hmm.
I got these results. Okay, based on
Yeah.
based on the subject, you did a partition
Hmm.
by maths and the physics. But
Hmm.
now see, you can see as the students writes Amit, Ravi, Karan,
Hmm.
Priya, Naina, Sneha, and Meena.
Hmm.
Okay, so I want these results based on the students.
Yeah. Partition by student name.
Yeah, no, not partition by
Hmm.
student names. It will not, but because see, if you do a partition by students, that doesn't make any sense. Because the student is unique, right? Every student is unique. I want,
Huh.
I want you to partition based on the gender. Okay, so male and female. I want,
Okay. Okay.
along with
Okay.
subject partitions, I want what are the top three boys and girls. Okay, so what
Hmm.
you have to do, you have to add one more
To
column
add
here,
one
right?
gender here. Yeah.
Gender,
Yeah.
you have to add gender, then you have to add
Yeah.
male, female, and
Okay.
based on that, you have to do partition along with subject. You have to do partition based on the gender as well, and based on that, you have to give me the
So
results.
there will be partition by subject also, gender also.
Yes, subject
How can you do that? Like in
you can do
like
for you can do for two columns, subject
okay,
and then gender.
just comma and gender. That's it.
Yes, you can
Okay.
do that. Okay, otherwise what you can do, first try for gender first. Okay,
Okay.
take this data only. Okay,
Got
for
it.
one subject add the gender. First do for
Hmm.
gender, partition by gender instead of, okay, and then first understand how it's working for okay, partition work for gender. Once you
Hmm.
understand for this sample data, okay, this sample data, then add gender, and then add partition by, you add this data along with the
Hmm.
gender, and then try for
Okay.
this. Okay, so always go with the step by steps. Don't go with all the data.
Like first
You'll
for like 5 data and then like
this seven
rest
data,
of them.
for this seven
Yeah,
data.
plus
Okay,
7 and the next 7.
yes, first go with this seven data along with, see what I did here. I haven't did the partition because this is the same data, right? Because there
Yeah,
is
yeah,
no scope for the partitions. When I added a
yeah.
student, there is a scope for the partition. So what you
Mm-hmm.
can do, first take these seven
Got it.
records. Okay, in that
Hmm.
seven records, add gender and then do a
Hmm.
partition by gender. You will get
Hmm.
you will
Okay.
get the students based on this match for this gender, male and female. Okay, then you will
Okay.
add again one more subject. Now there is a scope for the two partitions. One is for your subject and one is for your gender.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah.
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 So just do
That is
that.
it.
Okay, and based on that, uh you can share me that
Mm-hmm.
results on maybe on WhatsApp. That's fine. I
Mm-hmm.
just want to see that screenshot. What are the
Okay. Okay.
results that we are
Yeah,
getting?
yeah.
And okay, and in next sessions, we are going to understand about the lead and lag. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. So let me stop the recording.
Yes.